Hello everyone, in this video our topic is how to locate the centroid for the given composite figure, and this is the given composite figure, and also we have the formula of centroid for the composite figure as x bar comma y bar, where x bar is equal to a1 x1 bar plus a2 x2 bar plus so on up to an xn bar by a1 plus a2 plus so on up to an. Similarly, y bar is equal to a1 y1 bar plus a2 y2 bar plus so on up to an yn bar by a1 plus a2 plus so on up to an. And to find out centroid, we have four steps here. By using these steps, we can find out the centroid. So here, what is the first step? Check for symmetry for the given shape. This is the given shape, and by seeing this figure, we can easily say that this is neither symmetric about x-axis nor y-axis. Then fix the reference. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis given. This is the y-axis. Next step 2, split the figure into simple shapes, then mark centroids of each shape. If I draw a line like this, then this entire figure separated into, or this entire figure splitted into two rectangular sections. That is, let us say this is the first section and this is the second section, as this is the reference point for the axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. As this is the reference point or origin, I have taken this block as first section and this as second section. And we know that for every section there must be one centroid. Let us say this is G1, that is centroid of the first member with the coordinates x1 bar comma y1 bar, and let us say this is G2 with the coordinates x2 bar comma y2 bar, and for entire inverted L section or for entire given section there must be one centroid. Let us say this is the centroid with coordinates x bar comma y bar. And step 3, find area x bar y bar for each shape. So to find out these values, let us draw the figure individually. So here, so this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. What is the location of first member? The location of first member is like this. This is origin, and with the dimensions 150 and 12. And for second figure, this is first member and second member. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and second member is located at a distance 12 mm down from the x-axis. The second member is located at a distance of 12 mm from the 12 mm down from the x-axis, and this is the second member, the dimensions. So after splitting, after separated, the dimension of the height of the second member changes to 188. That means 200 minus 12, that is 188. So here the dimensions are 188 and this is 12, right? Let us find out what is the area of the first member. That means 150 into 12, that is equal to 1800 mm square. And what is x1 bar? So we know that the centroid of a rectangle x bar comma y bar is half the horizontal distance comma half the vertical distance. Here the horizontal coordinate of centroid x bar is half the horizontal distance, and vertical coordinate of centroid y bar is half the vertical distance. So for this member with the dimension 150 and 12, what is x1 bar? We know that x bar is half the horizontal distance, 150 by 2, that is 75. And What is y1 bar? We know that y bar is half the vertical distance, that is 6. And for the second member, what is a2? 12 into 188, which is equal to 2256. And x2 bar means, so generally x bar represents the horizontal distance always, and the centroidal horizontal distance, and x2 bar means for the second member, what is x bar? Horizontal distance by 2, that is 12 by 2, which equals to 6. And what is y2 bar? So the second member is already at a distance of 12 mm down from the x-axis, so that will be added here, that is 12 plus. And for this member, what is y bar? Vertical distance by 2, that means 94 plus 112, 106. So after knowing all values a1, x1, y1, a2, x2 bar, y2 bar, then the last step is substitution of all required values in the formula, then simplification. So what is x bar? a1 x1 bar plus a2 x2 bar by a1 plus a2, where a1 is 1800 into what is x1 bar? 75 plus what is a2? 2256 into what is x2? 6 by a1 plus a2, that is 1800 plus 2256. This is a simplification, mathematical calculation, and after simplification I got this value as 36.62. 36.62 mm. Similarly, what is y bar? a1 y1 bar plus a2 y2 bar by a1 plus a2, which equals to 1800 into 6 plus 2256 into 106 by 1800 plus 2256, which equals to 61.62 mm. And finally our conclusion will be like this: the centroid for the complete figure, for the whole composite figure, for the centroid of the given section is x bar. So here what is the x bar value? 36.62 comma y bar value is 61.62. So try to locate these values on the figure. So here what is x bar? 36.62 comma y bar is 61.62.